Hello everyone, it's Monday today and this is Ate Red makeup look for today and I'm using this product everyone. Actually, ang pupuntahan ko lang naman talaga today is wala lang kasi mayroon akong gustong hanapin mga pouch for my makeup. So wala lang, ang pinakamalapit na kasi sa akin dito yung thrift store. So puntahan natin. So gusto ko kasi yung naka-itemize yung mga product ko. So the makeup for today, no? Kasi pupunta ako sa thrift store, no? I'm using my Chanel eyeshadow, I'm using my lip color Chanel, I'm using my Chanel mascara, no? And yeah, I'm using my Dior, and I'm using some skincare products. So, this is... Hulog ka, nahulog! Bago pa naman eh! Ay ko, nahulog. So, this is my makeup look for today at Thrift Makeup using branded makeup. So, yeah, this is Monday makeup look. And yeah, I'm so excited for my what's in my luggage, what's in my makeup pouch, what's in my bag for travel to Hokkaido. Excited! So, thank you so much everyone. So, this is my makeup look for today. So, ano lang. Okay, bye!
So,